Ali, what time is it?
It's 8:30. Get up and have breakfast.
Oh my god, I'm going to be late. My boss is going to kill me.
Chill out, Atif. It's Sunday. What is wrong with you? You don't have to go to work today.
Oh, right. What a relief. It was just dreaming that I was at work and doing a presentation. That's why I thought it was Monday.
You have been working too much lately. Maybe you shouldn't have taken a part time job too. You need to slow down and start taking care of yourself.
I need to supplement our income to be able to pay the mortgage of our house.
I understand, but your health is important too.
Don't worry, it's only temporary. I'll be fine.
What would you like to drink? Tea? Coffee?
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Coffee? Okay, here you go. Help yourself to milk and sugar.
Thanks.
What would you like for breakfast?
Do you have any yogurt or fruit?
We have yogurt, but we don't have much fruit. I'm afraid just apples.
Okay, I would like yogurt and apples, please.
And would you like some eggs and sausages?
Oh, yes, please.
One egg or two?
Two.
Two eggs. Okay.